My name is Huria and I'm a proud student of BSN at Rehman College of Nursing. When I first joined Rehman College of Nursing, honestly, I was a little nervous. Everything was new for me: the academic environment, clinical training, and the responsibilities that comes with becoming a nurse. But over time, I realized that nursing is much more than learning procedures or passing exams. It's about taking care of people during some of the most difficult moments of their life. The faculty here have helped me throughout my journey. They encourage us to ask questions, learn from our mistakes, and improve ourselves continuously. During clinical rotations at Rehman Medical Institute, we've got the opportunity to observe experienced nurses and consultants. Today, I feel much more confident than when I first joined Rehman College of Nursing. I know how to communicate with patients, work as a part of healthcare team, and provide safe patient care. Rehman College of Nursing has not only been helping us to build professional skills, but has also helped me grow as a person as well as a confident healthcare professional.